Hi, welcome to today's video. Today's video is going to be a core vocabulary and action video. And the core vocabulary word that we're going to be targeting in today's video is feel. Feel is a verb or an action word. And feel can mean two different common things. So one way that we could think of feel is that whenever we experience an emotion, that could be a feel that we think of. Or another definition of feel is a sensation that we experience when we either touch something or we get touched by something. Now let's find our word feel on some of the different AAC systems that you might be using. On Word Power 60 Basic on the Touch Chat app from Sotillo, feel.
Feel.
On Lamp Words for Life, the 84 full version of the vocabulary from PRC, feel.
Feel.
On Snapcore First, the 63 grid from Toby Dynabox, feel.
Feel.
Now let's use our word feel for some different functions of communication. I could express my feelings and say, "Whew, I feel tired." I could ask a question and say, "How do you feel?" I could label something and say, "This block feels bumpy." I could give a command or direction action and say, "You feel it." I could comment and say, "She is crying. She feels sad." I could request an action and say, "Can I feel it?" I could reject and say, "No, I don't feel mad." Thank you so much for watching. I hope you liked this video. If you did, check out the playlist for more videos where I do the same exact thing that I did here in targeting other core vocabulary words. And if you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel and turn on the bell down below so that you get updates whenever I upload new videos. Thank you so much for watching.